Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix the Mound Omen of Cthulhu, the game crashing or crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, lagging, freezing, black screen and several other issues on PS5. So let's go through the methods. The very first method is to restart your PlayStation. One of the best way to fix the issue is by restarting the PS5 first. This will resolve the temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. Just open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller. Then select power button, then select restart PS5. Once your PS5 restarts, launch the game and check. Next method is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5 first. Now hold on power button and let 2 beep sound occur. Now leave power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller via USB cable and then select rebuild database. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, go to settings, click on network, click on settings, click on setup network connection. Here click on options. Under Wi-Fi frequency, you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. If not, next is to check PS5 overheating. So make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will help to fix the issue on PS5. Next solution is to enable or disable HDCP. First, go to settings menu from the PS5 home screen. Now choose system. Then select HDMI from the sidebar. Here toggle enable HDCP to on or off. And then launch the game and check. Next solution is to sign out and sign into PS5. For that, go to settings on your PS5 first. Now tap on users and accounts. Next, go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into PS5 account and then check for the error. Next solution is to restore licenses. For that, open settings on your PS5, click on users and accounts. Move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select the Mound Omen of Cthulhu game and click on restore. Finally, confirm by selecting yes. Next is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings. Go to the system. Here choose language option in the left sidebar. Select current language. Change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, next is to change DNS settings on PS5. For that, open settings on your PS5, click on network, click on settings, click on setup internet connection. Here select your network and press the options button. Then select advanced settings and change DNS settings to manual. After changing the DNS settings, you have to choose OK to save. It is recommended to go to the network, then connection status. Here test internet connection to ensure it is working properly. Next is to check for game updates. You should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often release patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check if there is an update available and after updating the game, launch it and check. Next method is to delete game save file PS5. For that, open settings on your PS5 menu. Now choose save data PS5. Here select upload or delete from console storage. Then select the game and then check if it's working. Next method is to install software updates on PS5. For that, open settings on your PS5, then choose system. Now go to system software, click on system software update and settings. Next, choose update system software if any update is available. Finally, choose update using internet option. Next method is to reset your console settings. For that, launch settings on your PS5 and move to system. Now choose reset options under system software. Here select reset default settings. At last, choose restore option. Next solution is to reinstall the Mound Omen of Cthulhu game. For that, first highlight the game on your PS5 and press options on your controller. Now choose delete and confirm it. Finally, restart your PS5 and install the Mound Omen of Cthulhu game again to check for the error. Next is to contact support. So lastly, if nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link is already in the description. You just have to explain the issue you're coming across and you can be into the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.